helpkids2learn.com.
Hear me, hear me. I have a very important announcement to make. The king of the chickens is about to speak.
No, I'm not the king of the chickens. We're making chicken al king today, which is king style chicken, and it has nothing to do with kings. It was just named after the chef who invented it. So, let's get started. Welcome to Cook Kid. I'm Chef Jacob, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken al king. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with the ingredients. We have here green, red, and yellow peppers and onions. OA chopped, by the way. Pimientos. Oh yeah. 2 cans of mushrooms. Like 1 can of cream of chicken. When you're opening a can, always open it right. Like I just demonstrated you have to do. And plus, always wash the top of your can, because when you open it, the contents of the can gets on the lid, and then you get all the contaminants on the lid into your thing. And this is going to be kind of hard to get out. And we have here milk. And chicken broth. And almost forgot this. Our last thing, the chicken. And this thing is real easy to prepare. All the slow cooker recipes are pretty easy to prepare. But it takes a long time to cook in the slow cooker, but easy preparation. Now we're going to put it in the slow cooker. And put the lid on. Now turn on high for about 4 to 5 hours. Get serious. Good, you're serious. The more fun you are with that camera, the closer the puffy comes to popping on the lens.
We're literally videoing.
Okay. Do it. Alright. Alright, here I am 4 or 5 hours later, and
just say a few hours later, okay? Come on.
Alright.
A few hours later?
Alright. A few hours later. Here's your end result of the chicken al king. I made here with it biscuits and some noodles, and I'm going to tear up the biscuits here and pour the chicken al king over the biscuits. And this is actually a good way to eat it. That's the way, my favorite way to eat it. There's other ways. And now you're going to pour this over top of your biscuits. I'm not perfect, but there it is. Now we're going to do over here with some noodles. Going to pour it over that. Okay. I'm Chef Jacob. Thanks for joining us today on the Cook Kid. Please come join us on our next royal adventure. Thanks for watching. Bye. For this tasty recipe and lots more, go to helpkids2learn.com. Athletic here. Thanks for watching.